Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that an unexpected error is keep you from moving the file. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with the problem. Error code 0x807016A. The cloud file provider is not running. Let's fix it guys. Just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select sync center. On left side select manage offline files. In here I don't have anything listed over here guys in this tab, but you will be see the disk usage tab. You just need to click on it, and after that you just need to adjust the limitations guys. Change the limits. You just need to adjust the maximum amount of space temporary files can use. Adjust it by your preferences and select apply and OK for save changes. And now you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem solved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.